Om Namah Shivaya. The universe bows to Lord Shiva. I bow to Lord Shiva. Hello, friends. Today we will unfold the core soul of the book Shiva Trilogy, and it's the combination of three books: The Immortals of Mehlua, The Secret of Naga, and The Oath of Vayuputras. It was a very eminent author, Amish Tripathi, and as an author, he confessed that these books are his own imagination, which depict the Lord Shiva as an ordinary human being, and the whole story is centered around him. How he dealt with the crisis and adversity which were thrown at him, and due to his sensible, deep thinking and decisive nature, people would give him the title of God. We are not here to contradict the things, but to learn and apply the things which are related to us, which he explained very profoundly in the way of a story. It was very mesmerizing story, and because everyone has its own way to see the things and to find his own truth of the situation which happened to him. There is your truth, there is my truth for the same situation, and there is the truth. That's the most prominent principle of this book, and even the very eminent author Dale Carnegie, very famous also, who is the author of How to Win Friends and Influence People, emphasize very much on this topic. If you think you are right, think the story in the perspective of others person. If you are eager to know the other side of the story, then put your leg into the shoes of other person and see the situation. You know, one person cannot climb the pyramid of the success by his own. We need to collaborate, and in if we want to move further in life, we need to collaborate. So we have to make friends, we have to make allies instead of making enemies. Whatever appears as the unshakable truth, its exact opposite may also be true in a different context. And if you have done some mischief, then accept it instead of making a firm stance at your opinion. Acknowledge your mistake instead of standing steady with your point. If you even win the conflict by doing so, then the situation is not a win-win. You lose something. You lose the reverence and respect from the eyes of other person who might be act as an asset for you. So make good friends, and don't delude them in any way. Now the another thing which made me to contemplate and think deeply is that the situation which seems most significant innovation now, the same innovation turned to be a terrible evil with the time. Let me give you an example to explain this, what I mean by it. Let's take an era of plastic boom. The plastic came around 1920 or 25. I'm making a wild guess. I'm not sure about it. When the plastic came in the market, people would appreciate it. People start using plastic as it is very convenient to use. It's light in weight. It good at thermal and electrical insulation, easy workability, adhesiveness, cost into a desirable shape product, decorative surface effects and easy modulation, residence, transparency, low maintenance cost, and ability to take variety of colors, etc., etc. And it has so much fascinating characteristics that everyone needed them. So it create a win-win situation to both the consumer and the company, as both were happy. So company tries to produce it more and more, and people try to consume it more and more. Now you see it, one of the most disastrous thing. It backfired us. It is decimating our ecosystem gradually, and directly or indirectly, it is affecting our lifestyle. It's our greed to extract more and more from goods, which turned it into evil now. So I want to convey that don't do and don't use the things in an excessive manner. Use the things as per your needs, unless it will backfire you. By the way, as per the book is concerned, I would urge you to read this book. In this book, there are many incredible concepts which are related to the Indian society, which the author tries to put in terms of the storytelling. So it will be more fun and to learn intuitively, more naturally. I love the way of learning this. It's the combination of love, comedy, romance, and I love the way how he described the city, its architecture, how he described the character. I love, my favorite character is the Parvateshwar, who follows the rules and who order or obey the rules whatever come may. And I enjoyed the book very much and hope you will. And if you have read this book, then put a comment and I am all ear to know your views. And if you have no time to read the book, then there is an audiobook also available on YouTube. Listen to them, it's very mesmerizing. I hope you are safe there. Enjoy, have fun. Jai Hind.